Hey everybody, Andy from Ward's Equipment Rental. Today we are going to go ahead and demonstrate how to use the SK800 made by Ditch Witch. This machine has a 24.8 horsepower diesel engine and has the ability to turn a 9 to 36 inch bit, which we do have in stock. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use it. If you guys aren't familiar with diesels, on this other side I'm going to go ahead and show you here real quick where the glow plug is. If it's your first start of the day, you do got to pre-warm it. So you're going to go ahead and turn the key one click, and then you push this button right here, and you'll see this light illuminates, and you're going to want to hold it for about 8 to 10 seconds prior to starting. If it's already been started for the day, it's not necessary. All right. So this machine has 4 main features: drive, throttle, bit spin, and raise and lower your boom. That's really it. So what you're going to want to do is, when you travel, by pushing this green button left, it keeps this machine in the cradle, which allows us to drive back and forth to our job site where we go without risking ripping the bit off. When you are ready to drill, however, you want to get it on a pendulum, and you do that by essentially opening up this entire thing all the way, going the other way, all the way until you hit a hard stop. Once you hit a hard stop, the nice thing about it being on a pendulum is you can count on the fact that you're going to end up getting a straight up and down hole, which lends itself well to getting your motion around properly. When you go to drill, you want to go ahead and run this machine at high throttle, and high throttle only, and your yellow is what's going to make the bit spin. I will mention that one nice feature that they added to this model is when it spins forward, there is a foot pedal down here that you can stand on that will keep that going forward for you. It used to be that you had to hold it forward, which made it hard to use your drive and raise and lower mechanisms simultaneously. So let me demonstrate drilling the hole. One thing I will also want to mention is that you do want to let the bit do the work. If while you're drilling, you're lifting the front of the machine up, you're simply just going too fast. So let me demonstrate. We're going to give it some RPMs. Not a real complicated machine. If you guys have any questions, feel free to get a hold of us, 810-231-7368. We'd be happy to help you.